Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to our second lecture in ICT. Okay, last lecture we will discuss about the what is ICT, need of ICT, ICT tools, ICT characteristics, advantages of ICT, role of ICT. Okay, today's lecture we will discuss about the definition of ICTs, application of ICTs. Huh. Website, web page, blog, HTTP, FTP, okay, Google Drive. आज आपण संपवूयाच 1-1.5 तासात आपलं संपतंय फर्स्ट टॉपिक बेसिक ऑफ आयसीटी. तर त्याचं मीनिंग काय तेवढं समजून घ्या. जेव्हा प्रॅक्टिकल असेल, ब्लॉग कसं सर्च करायचं, वेबसाईट, ब्राउचर, वेब पेज म्हणजे काय, मूडल कसं क्रिएट करायचं वगैरे प्रॅक्टिकलला मी तुम्हाला सांगेनच आणि व्हिडिओद्वारे. ओके, लेक्चरला फक्त वेब पेज, वेब ब्राउझर, वेब सर्व्हिस, ओके, ब्लॉग म्हणजे काय तेवढं समजून घ्या. First, ICT refers to information and communication technology, refers to technologies used for collecting, storing, editing, and passing on information in various forms. Okay, ICT definition. First, if you look at any ICT application, we can see there are 3 level of abstraction. Okay, first is the solution, tools, and technology. Okay, at the top level of course is the application itself, which the user interact with, and this application actually built using some tools which are constructed out of some technologies. Okay, so if you look at the market price, second it display market prices application is probably built using the identify management tool. Okay, we need to figure out of who has followed, we need to figure out where the person has followed from, and we need to figure out how the data is to be delivered and where the data is stored. Okay, so there may be voice and communication technology tools used, then there may be content management technology tools. Okay, used. So one application at top layer is basically handled served through multiple tools at the second layer. Okay, second layer. Now in order to identify management, I may used several technology. I'm calling this identify technology and data construction technology. For example, local recognition. This I think local recognition probably happens using data communication technologies. Okay, internet technology and identify technology. Okay, then similar content management happens. Third number, content management happens using data represented uses and data management issues. Okay, so solution is built out of the multiple tools, and the tools is handled through multiple technologies. Okay, so in this course we are going to talk with the layer of the little bit of this. Yes, so I call it this ICT basics. First solutions, second tools, third technologies. Okay, so once we know the basic, we can actually in the subsequent course explore the uh, higher level layer in greater define. Okay, second internet technology. uh, we will talk about the internet technology. Basically, what are the website and web application, what happens on the server side, on the client side, how they talk to each other, what is cloud. Everybody is talking of cloud these days. We should know so what the cloud is all about. Okay, Third, communication technology, 2G, 3G, GSM, CDMA, and how does data move over the phone and so on. Okay. Then there is a set of lecture on identify management and location. You know, how do I know who is calling, where the person is calling from, uh, the calling, and from the talk about the cloud computing and access device. ते दिसते. जस्ट मी एक तुम्हाला इमेजेस का दाखवले की क्लिअरिटी, कारण आपल्याला सीएससी रिलेटेड जास्त काही माहित नाहीये. सो जितकं मी फोटोग्राफ्स द्वारे तुम्हाला दाखवते, तुम्हाला क्लिक तर होईल. ओके. आयडेंटिफाय कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी झालं, cloud computing and access device. You can access the device service through mobile phone or the tablet or laptop or desktop, and each one has its own advantages and restriction that come. We will talk about these issues. Okay. We'll talk about the data storage. We'll talk about how is data represented inside the computer and how it is accessed to give you can example. Let's see, you are talking about a particular pest damage or particular crop. It is controlled by some chemical. Okay. So how do I store complex relationship inside the machine? That topic of the discussion. Okay. Collaborating, we'll talk about the collaborating technology. Okay. How do people work together and try to solve a problem? Technology is an enabler. Okay. Finally we solve problem with the help of other people. So these are called as social technologies. Okay. We'll talk about these issues. Who should attend this course? This is about the basic course in ICT. So it's anybody who is interested in knowing what happens behind the scenes when I make a phone call, or when I access the website, or when actually get a service based on ICT should attend this course. Okay. So for example, standard of agriculture universities, I think is a must. They should all know that what happens here. Okay. Faculty of the universities and scientists in the agricultural research system, NGOs, and anybody who wants to know this ICT is all about. Okay. हे बेसिक आहे. जस्ट ऍप्लिकेशन काय आहे त्याचे ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्या ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये. ओके. इंटरनेट कशासाठी? कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी अँड तुम्ही एकदा व्हिडिओ पण बघा, म्हणजे पीपीटी पेक्षा व्हिडिओ पण मी तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकल तर परफॉर्म करणारच आपण. जस्ट तुम्हाला, कारण सिव्हिलच्या वेगळं आहे, फर्स्ट टाइम हा सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्युटर रिलेटेड आहे. सो सीएससी. So we know that computer, what is ICT? Okay. Computer can do very fast computation. Slightly less known is a fact, that is it can store large amount of data, and when I bring these things together, okay, I can I manipulate amount of data very quickly. Okay. I can store large amount of information. I can find relationship among us them. Okay. Okay. I can compute interesting relationship that existing between various data items. Okay. uh, I can retrieve our history, for example. So this is what information technology is about. I refer to information technology ability to do fast computers and store fast computers and store large amount of data and manipulated data. Okay. ते बघा, इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी अँड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी. लास्ट लेक्चरला पण मी तुम्हाला सांगितलंय. हे लिहून घ्यायचं असेल तर घ्या. ओनली डेफिनेशन म्हणजे चार्ट कसं आहे तसं लिहून घ्या, कारण तुम्हाला ICT रिलेटेडच आहे, ISC रिलेटेडच आहे. ओके, इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी अँड कम्युनिकेशन. लास्ट लेक्चरला पण त्याचा डिफरन्स सांगितलेला आहे. तरी हा चार्ट काढून घ्यायचा असेल तर काढून घेऊ शकता. लार्ज स्टोरेज, लार्ज डाटा स्टोरेज, फास्ट कॉम्पिटिशन, वायरलेस मेसेजेस. ओके, इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये लार्ज डाटा स्टोरेज आणि फास्ट कॉम्पिटिशन, and communication technology मध्ये फास्ट कम्युनिकेशन अँड वायरलेस मेसेजेस. एक मिनिट थांबूया, ज्यांना लिहून घ्यायचं असेल तर. MCQ पण देईन मी, आज टॉपिक झालं की MCQ मी तुम्हाला लिंक पण देईन, ते तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करा, कारण कधी सरप्राईज टेस्ट किंवा नेक्स्ट वीक मध्ये टेस्ट घ्यायला सांगितले सगळ्या सब्जेक्टचे, तर तुम्हाला माहिती असायला पाहिजे. नेक्स्ट हा वायरलेसचं सांगितलंय ना, वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन. हा, व्हेन यू आर एबल टू सेंड मेसेज ओव्हर द वायर्ड लाईन or wireless line, compute the information that comes over the message very quickly. You are in the communication technology revolution. Okay, now I can keep my data anywhere, any amount of data, access it quickly and manipulate it. Okay, so information and communication technology is all about just this. Your data is sitting somewhere, amount of data, you can access it, manipulate it, and do wonderful, okay, and interesting things with all. This happen with the help of the computers, right? For example, the cell phone that you have is actually as powerful as desktop just a few years back. Okay, wireless. And third, example of ICT application. So this thing become clear. Let us say you want to buy or sell phone. What do you go to our favorite e-commerce site? Okay, so what's our favorite e-commerce sites? Have you about line? Try it sometimes. Okay, there you log into the site and let's say choose the phone that you want to buy. Okay, it is a such large number of them. It is very difficult to make this choice. Okay, they do the payment. There are many different ways of marketing the payment. Okay, you can use our credit card, you can use our net banking, you can use your debit card, and so on. They finally Kogan. So this how you can buy a phone or over the internet, e-commerce as they call it. Okay, just typical ICT applications. What is the hardware involved? So let's we see what is the hardware involved. So you can the sitting here accessing the site over a desktop computer. This is my desktop or over a smartphone, and you communicate to the e-commerce site through the internet. Okay, इथं दाखवलेलं आहे कालच्या SYA ला झालेला आहे. सो ते डायरेक्ट पेंटिंग मध्ये first this is what I'm represent the internet and service of the e-commerce site, and somewhere in the world we do not really know. In fact, e-commerce sites have a number of servers, and you particular request on which servers it is being processed is actually very difficult to find out. Okay, just processing आहे हे. Okay, हार्डवेअर यू कॅन ऍक्सेस थ्रू द डेस्कटॉप कॉम्प्युटरला, नंतर डेस्कटॉप वर द स्मार्टफोन, and smartphone represent in internet, and internet to the server data cloud. दिसतंय? Next, look at server sitting in data center in the cloud. Okay. If you look at the internet, your communication, okay, in routed through hubs and switches and so on. So request goes through the, okay. What is the HTTP to the server? Okay. HTTP म्हणजे काय? लॉंग फॉर्म कोणाला माहित आहे? हायपरटेक्स्ट ट्रान्सफर प्रोटोकॉल. ओके. FTP म्हणजे फाईल ट्रान्सफर प्रोटोकॉल. पुढे सांगेनच मी. Hyper HTTP servers. Okay. It gets processed and requests come back to the our client and that you are using. Okay. So this is a hardware. This is involved. Process आहे hub switches and routed. मगाशीच आहे. Just ह्यात HTTP add केलंय. Next, what is the software involved? If you want to look at little more about what is the software, okay, so you are accessing the e-commerce site using a browser Fairfax. Okay. What's your favorite browser? What are the browsers that are anyway, or maybe a app typically app is application that is running on our phone. Okay. So you can connect to our e-commerce site using that application. Okay. First app a browser applications routing process आहे ते. Price emerges. So this is the software that is a number on the client side and inside the internet the request. Okay. The messages and get routed, and when it goes to the services execute the when self business logic, and business logic is the genius term cover. Okay. Actually achieving that happen when requesting comes. Okay. It has to go figure. Okay. Out when what your request is uh, all about bring all phones and shown it when the you choice one of the it marks and tell you your price. Okay. And of then when you actually makes to the payments consolidate, and the payments go to the uh, payments gateway, it make happens, send you acknowledge that it happened and so on. Okay. So it is keeping information like this type price, image, purchase history, payment processing. Okay. You know, might have bright other before you, some people might have brought some things you may want to know who is buying what. Okay. They won't tell you the names of the people, but when tell your purchase history, person who has bought has also this may be of interested to you well is what mean. Okay. Then it is had to payment process and so on. So all the data or information has you cloud calls. Okay. It's sitting in the service and being managed by the business logic. Okay. प्रोसेस आहे सॉफ्टवेअरचा. तुम्हाला समजवण्याचा प्रयत्न करते, कारण हा असा सब्जेक्ट आहे की पूर्ण कॉम्प्युटर, HTTP सॉफ्टवेअर, हार्डवेअर, वेबसाईट म्हणजे काय ते तुम्हाला कळायला थोडं अवघड जाईल, तरी समजून घ्या थोडंफार. ओके. नेक्स्ट हार्डवेअर. ओके. सो ICT application services using some hardware. Okay. So in this course we are going to look at both aspects. Okay. We are going to look at some aspect of the hardware. We are going to look at what are the kinds of hardware that there is, like we will look at what is the smartphone, and we will see what is inside a computer, and we will what happens in the network. We'll read about cloud and little bit about server, and then we will talk about the software. Okay. For example, on client you may using Android operating systems. Okay. So what is Android, and we will look about how is data repeated on the server. Okay. How do you manipulate that, all about data, money, and content, may and so on. Okay. So this is what this course is about. ICT. Okay. Just जे applications आहेत हार्डवेअर सॉफ्टवेअर रिलेटेड. ओके. नेक्स्ट पार्ट WW वर्ल्ड वाईड वेब. तुम्ही ऐकला असेल, ज्यांनी MSc IT वगैरे दिलं असेल, हा हमखास क्वेश्चन असतो 10th नंतर ज्यांनी MSc IT वगैरे एक्झाम दिलं असेल. WW वर्ल्ड वाईड वेब. What is the World Wide Web? We know that traditionally Tim Berners-Lee has been credited with creating the World Wide Web, means WWW, in 1991. But actually, the concept they existed even before that much. Before, okay, the computer science people know about how the organized text. Okay, interesting fashions. The origin goes to 1945 by a person called whenever Bush 1945. Okay, he was the MIT. He was in the professor, and the latter become administrator. Okay, so he conceptual something interesting. Tell us, read us. Okay. Next, whenever Bush MIT. The human mind operations by associate with one item in graphs, it snaps instantly to the next, that is suggested by association of thought in accordance with some interactor. Okay, web of trail carried by the cells of the brain. Okay. So what he's saying, we organize information in small chunks, and they are all connected to each other in some kind of web. And way we think is when I am looking at some concepts, some objects. Okay, my thoughts, because of the association I have within the object, jumps to the another object. Okay, that is how human think, that how humans organize the information in their brain. Okay. Next, let's see an example of so I'm right now looking at the camera. First, this I am imagining all of you behind the camera. So when I look at the camera, this is very high end camera. When can shoot movies, I think of movie film actresses, and Amitabh Bachchan and Hema Malini in our generation. It is Deepika Paduka. Okay, but Paduka to me reminds of Prakash Padukam, okay, who was very well known badminton player. See how my through is jumping. Okay, just for example, dete me. From the camera, I want to Deepika to Prakash to badminton, but today badminton is associated with Saina Nehwal, and I think of Hyderabad, and uh, when I think of Hyderabad, my thoughts jump to the chairman, and right when I think of chairman, I go to the Qutub Minar, see where I have moved. Okay, I have started with camera in front of me, and I moved through the whole lot of web to the Qutub Minar, and of course from Qutub Minar it goes on the history of my country and so on. So what we have essentially here some pieces of the text which are converted with each other. Okay, what we call a hyperlink. So if you have it in this fashion, it is hyperlink. Actually, it is little more than that. Okay. Then it not just hyperlink. It is a uh, uh, text on but images. You know this. All are images, right? Okay. जस्ट तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल्स देते हायपरलिंकचं हायपर टेक्स्ट. Essentially, what a hypertext is a text with the link between them. These are called as a hyperlinks. When you click on one link, takes you to the target page. Okay, right? This is what happen in a website. Or no, you are see looking at the some content and their link imagining from the various words. Okay. Second, now the target page and page you to may pages like okay program which is existing that hypermedia or distributed hypermedia. Okay. Write down first definition. Information. Typical ICT application. Just point write down. First, buying a cell phone. कारण मी तुम्हाला सांगत जाईन तुम्हाला ते समजणार नाही. सो लक्षात राहण्यासाठी हेड पॉइंट तरी लिहून घ्या. डिटेल्स मध्ये लिहून घेऊ नका पण जे जे हेड आहेत त्यातले सब पॉइंट तरी लिहून घ्या. तुम्हाला अजून पण तेच सांगते आता ह्याच्यावरचे व्हिडिओचे लेक्चर जे मी लिंक लेक्चरचं चालू असताना जे सेंड करेन मी आणि प्लस नोट्स वगैरे तुम्हाला एक दोनदा वाचलं की समजून जाईल. ओके. Buying a cell phone. Okay. Second, go to your favorite e-commerce site. Third, you log in. हे IISc साठी मी सांगते जे जे इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत ते ते पॉइंटच सांगते मी तुम्हाला फक्त. फोर्थ, चॉईस द फोन. Fifth, make the payment. And last, log out. एक्झाम्पल आहेत हे हार्डवेअर सॉफ्टवेअरचे. So if you want a definition for what is the World Wide Web, WWW, the World Wide Web is a program numbering on the internet implementing what we call distributed hypermedia. So you know what the now what a dubna. Now let us look at some simple terminology. Okay. HTML. What is the HTML? HTML is stand for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML long form Hypertext Markup Language. MARK Markup Language. Okay. It is basically simple text in which insert some tags to indicate the computers to make. Okay. It is basically simple text in which insert some tags to indicate the computers to make and load an underlink or in it links or you know to the show it in colors and so on. Okay. WW. So this is a tag documents that you make the appear beautiful, more pleasing and so on. Okay. Hyperlink, hypertext. Okay. हे लिहून घ्या. वर्ल्ड वाईड वेब मेन जे तेवढंच सांगते मी तुम्हाला. ओके. वर्ल्ड वाईड वेब इज अ प्रोग्रामिंग running on the internet comma implementing distributed hypermedia okay. Next definition, long forms HTML hypertext markup language, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP servers. ते पण लिहून घ्या. हे लॉंग फॉर्म तरी माहित असायला पाहिजे. सो आयसीटी मध्ये तुम्ही काय शिकलं तर तेवढं तरी. HTML editor, programming which will help you create and edit HTML pages. Okay. HTTP hyperlink text transfer protocol. This is how to HTTP servers talk to each other. Okay. Means HTML editors program which will allow you to create HTML pages is called a HTML editor. Okay. Now we have seen there is some document sitting here. When I click on this, it goes to another computer and bring the document sitting there. This, okay. So that means this computer is talking to the computer somewhere else, anywhere in the world. Okay. So he talked to the computer through a protocol and through an exchange of what is the first and what is the next. Then protocol is called as a hypertext transfer protocol. Okay. Exchange, what is the first and next protocol called as a hypertext transfer protocol. Okay. HTTP means the program which do this talking on HTTP is called as HTTP servers. Okay, delivers. So you know all about HTML and HTTP and so on. Okay. झालं. नेक्स्ट, व्हॉट इज ब्लॉग. मी पूर्व पण लेक्चरला सांगितलं होतं. आम्हाला कॉलेजमध्ये पण ब्लॉग तयार करायला सांगितलं. इंडिव्हिज्युअल टू इंटरेस्टिंग कुठलेही टॉपिक किंवा काय तुम्हाला असेल आर्टिकल्स वगैरे, जर्नल्स वगैरे, तर आता जस्ट टॉपिकचं नाव दिलंय, अजून त्याचं प्रोसेस पुढे नाहीये. सो ब्लॉगचं पण तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकलला सांगेन कसं सर्च करायचं, कसं भरायचं, म्हणजे त्याला पेमेंट वगैरे असते. जस्ट तुम्हाला इन्फॉर्मेशन तर देईल. ओके. blog is a website in simple language. Okay. And blog is an online journal or informational website that is that display information in reverse chronological order. Okay. With the latest post appearing first. It is platform where an author or a group of writers share their views on an individual टॉपिक. ओके. काय डिफरन्स असेल म्हणजे ब्लॉग आणि वेबसाईट मध्ये. ओके. ब्लॉग इज नथिंग बट इन्फॉर्मेशनल वेबसाईट और जर्नल डिस्प्ले इन्फॉर्मेशन and reverse chronological order. Reverse chronological order means लेटेस्ट पोस्ट appear फर्स्ट. ओके, तुम्ही बघत असाल युट्यूबवर वगैरे कधी ब्लॉग्स वगैरे असतात, ज्यांनी स्वतः म्हणजे स्वतःचे विचार वगैरे मांडून त्यांनी 1-2-3 मिनिटाचे व्हिडिओ वगैरे बनवतात, त्याला बघू. ओके, वेबसाईट म्हणजे काय? वी नो व्हॉट इज वेबसाईट. मेनी वेबसाईट्स ब्लॉग्स आर ओनली पार्ट ऑफ द वेबसाईट. ओके, but there are many websites there only blogging is done. Means so every blog is website but not every website is blog. You must also see many website don't have any blog. Okay, म्हणजे खूप जण ब्लॉग यूज करतात. मीन्स where many people blogging today. Means today most people are creating blogs for various reason. Every woman has his or her own story tell to the world by blogging. Okay, bloggers are communicate with large number of people. Okay, ब्लॉगिंग तुम्ही युट्यूबवर सर्च केलं की पॉप्युलर लोक असतात ब्लॉगर. द ब्लॉग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टॉक अबाउट एनी टॉपिक, एक्सप्रेस अवर ओपिनियन, प्लस यू कॅन ऑल्सो अर्न सम मनी फ्रॉम द ब्लॉग. ओके, तुम्ही तुमच्या ब्लॉग साठी म्हणजे चांगले हे असेल तर त्याला मनी पण पे करून तुम्ही हे करू शकता वेबसाईटवर स्वतःच क्रिएट करून. ओके, for example you can earn money through advertising on blog. Advertise an advertising agency to display bloggers, okay, to the display their ad in their blog. This advertising agency usually use advertising network like Google AdSense म्हणजे वेबसाइट आहे to display their ads on various blogs on the internet. Okay, they pay Google AdSense for this advertising, and then Google AdSense share the part of the revenue and which the bloggers on whose blog is advertising are displayed. Okay, हा चांगला आहे. तुम्ही पण नंतर तुम्हाला जेव्हा वेळ असेल ब्लॉग वगैरे तयार करायचं असेल तर करू शकता. ओके, इथं दिलेलं आहे, वेबसाईट पण आहेत बघा, तेच आहे. Blog is type of website or part of website. Okay, blogs are usually maintained by individual with regular entries of commentary and description of events or the material such as graphics or video